think I'm kind of ready. Not really. Yeah, I can. 1 second. Is it in the trunk? No. Oh. Wait, again?
No, Mega.
Oh, he has my plates though. Sick.
Yep.
Sick. He was filming this. Nobody knows? You're not supposed to see this, Jack. There's a lot of holes. Let me bring that cup to Mr. Bossman real quick. Yeah, what's up? Today you'll be filming me, well, watching me, I guess. I'll be assembling an S-Chassis kit again, because I love those kits. We've been selling a decent amount these days, so I'll have this thing on my head, and I'll start assembling the kit, so you see step by step, kind of probably fast forward, a bit of stops here and there. You'll see it completely, and yeah, we'll just start going at it, because we have a bunch of orders, so we just gotta go at it. So, let's go. All right, so start by picking up my stuff that I need. All this. I feel like I have something heavy on my head. It's kind of funny. Start with Acron plates. 2 for this side, 2 for this side. 4. Yep. Do your right hand. And there's a lot of wind. Holy. Hi. Yeah, I got lost for a sec there. Wow. But so many bolts and so many nuts and so many arms. Sometimes you kind of get lost. All right, Acron plates are in. So those should have the left hand joints in there. What? What's going on? I heard RTX 3070. Well, what CPU are you getting?
Well, mostly putting in graphics cards a little expensive, but just Ryzen 7 3700X is on sale right now for $3.
Oh, that should be perfect. That should be fine.
8 cores.
Yeah, that should be fine. Very tight, very tight. Kind of lucky on this one. I have one that's tapped, this, and that's tapped. So just get the bump stops. We'll have one side of the arm is done, one side of the curve. And to get that arm, tap the bump stop. Make sure everything goes in. This one. Alright, time to assemble lower control arm. Just making sure they'll go on the arm before I send it out. Good to go. Fine, good to go. So I do always make sure that every heim joint goes in every arm before I send them out. because I don't want the client to get an arm that's tight like this. No, that's tight. That doesn't go in. What a heim joint that doesn't go in, that wouldn't make any sense, you know? Trying to put the kit on the car and then there's threads in the bung. You have a nice heim joint with nice clean threads, but they don't go in together. Well, what the, you know? But S13 and S14. S14 right there. It's an S14, so I'll put it in an S14 hole. Then I don't put this one in because it's kind of easy to, it's just easier to wrap like this. So.
What are those for?
You're ruining my video, Ethan. I'm joking. I was looking for them and you found them, but I sent another set. I just made another bag. Need some rack bolts. Nice. Ah! I'm dropping all my bolts. Alright, I'm just missing my top plates. Not bad. About to start wrapping a bit and that's it. I beat it before lunch because I got to do the top plates. Just gonna protect the lowers and stuff, and that's it. You see, this guy comes in, I turn around and my freaking wrap is gone. Like my wrap. And where is it? I gotta use it. I'll help you out, bud. There you go. He's struggling.
These arms we're gonna have to come. That's good, I got it from here.
That's all taped. Alright, got my spacers. Mantis, angle mantis. This in is seen. By my table. Alright, this. Knuckle. And 14 holes. There. Tie rods. Knuckles. Bolts. Acron plate. Boom. With the adjuster, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, Jack needs to take pictures of that. You know what you're going for?
That's sick.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's great.
Yeah, that's gonna be nice. Then you have your new lower. on-car adjustable. Ratio. Change the ratio of your suspension, and then there you go. Well, actually, this is not the right arm for the right knuckle, but whatever, whatnot. You get the point. There you go. All right. That's a full S-Chassis kit, fully boxed up, top to bottom, with the right side facing up. Tape, man, pretty solid, and nothing moves in the box. So. Hey Ethan, can you start the scale up? So it is a 54 pounder. It was an 18, 16, 12. I just stick that on the box for Mr. Ethan to ship it. And that's going out to the client. There you go. Thumbs up. Done. It's like the Mantis.